something very nice, beautiful. You'll love it. I got this free box. This is the first box. Look how big it is. Nazana sengwe ko laksabino biloko oyo na somi na Amazon. Botala box oyo munene oyo na zona Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Thank you so much guys for coming back. If you are new, my name is Ania Mavia. Welcome to my channel. Mbote na bino nyoso tu. Soke zambana liboso tala ngai. Kombo na nga ezali Anita Mavita. Bienvenue na video na nga Sika. Please guys, help me to subscribe and gives the video thumbs up. It helps a lot. Mande wana pardon bo edenga bo partager, bo like et salaka video na biso malamu. Guys, I'm so excited to show you what I've got from Amazon. This top I got from Burberry's and this short beautiful I got from AliExpress, and these big earrings I got from TK Maxx and my Apple Watch. Body na oyo nazi yango na Burberry's, and suki nanga kitoko o bozongo na rouge au bordeaux nazi yango na AliExpress. Biloko matoi oyo minene oyo nazi yango na TK Maxx. Montre na ngai ya Apple Watch. I got something very nice, beautiful. You'll love it. I got this free box. This is the first box. Look how big it is. I got something excited guys. You will love it. This is the first box. This is the second box I got from Amazon, and this is the third box. So I'm gonna open this box in front of you to see what is inside. I know what is inside, but I just want to open in front of you guys to see it in case you are interested with what I have got. Yeah, okay, let's open together. Now nazana sengwe ko laksabino biloko oyo na somi na Amazon. Botala box oyo munene oyo na zona Amazon na ko laksabino biloko nini oyo ezali na 4 awa. Oyo box na ya mibale na zwi yango na Amazon. Eza boye to ko fongola ngana bino elongo totala biloko nini ezali na kati. Na yebi na biloko ezali mena zaka na sengo na fongola bino peut-être ko za intéresser na biloko ezali na 4 awa. Yes, to open. Let's see what is inside. All right, so I open a little bit already. Let's see what is inside. You can see it's new. Yeah. Woo, guys, look how this beautiful is. This is makeup box. Guys, look at this in black. Look at this makeup box in black. So beautiful, so sexy. You know, I love it. To be honest, I love it. It looks nice. So let's open. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at how this beautiful is. Makeup box in black, and it got a little bit red on it. Guys, as you guys you know, I'm in love with this. Yep. Look at how beautiful it is. Look, and it's big, so beautiful, so sexy. You know, I'm in love with this. Is so botala penandeng ezali eza boye o ezali box o ya makeup eza kitoko makasi, and please eza na keys. It has keys on it, so you can lock it. If you don't want your kids to touch your stuff, you can lock it. No one will be able to open. So beautiful. And then this is how you can open. Wow, oh my god guys, oh my god, wow, so pretty. Look at inside. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. My family botandeze kitoko foza organize, foza well organized. I don't like stuff everywhere. I don't like to see my stuff everywhere on the floor, on the table. I don't like it. So yeah, look at how this is so beautiful, and it's big enough. I hope it's gonna fit all my stuff inside. I got the old one, the silver, but this one is bigger than that. Nazana oya silver kala na somba me oya zamwa munene pa wana. And please, this one I love it, so nice. Even when you go for holiday, you're going somewhere, yes, you just, you know, you want to carry your makeup box with you. Look at so nice, so sexy, beautiful, very beautiful color. You guys, you know black, it goes with everything. Black is la stand color. The noir is déjà pour l'air moka bien. Au cause à pour ceux qui place mon memi on kana maboko, but you go somewhere, you go holiday, you know, you want to take your makeup box with you. There's no problem because the color is nice. It's stand. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty, guys. Look at the way it is. Maybe let me come close. Look at the way it is. So beautiful, and it's big enough. I hope it's gonna fit all my stuff inside. Look at that. It's big enough. Look, big enough, and then it's so nice. Look at how it is. Very big enough size. It goes like this. You open. Look, you see, put all your stuff here. Yep, it's like this, big enough. Even inside, let me open properly. Even inside down there is big enough to go to put everything here. Even here, like everything you can fit here. Very nice, very beautiful, and it's clean. Even the color is so pretty. I love it, to be honest, guys. When I saw this is Amazon, I was like, oh, come on, it's very nice. And then it has my favorite color on it, plus black. Down the money on Amazon, I be now, wow. Open up, look. The good thing I like about these keys, you see, keys. A lot of us say, "Poison about keys," but click all the keys you can lock it. Your children, they're not allowed to touch your stuff. No one is allowed to touch your stuff. You know, when you have girls, they can always play with your stuff. Or every time was to Zarana Banamike Basaka Nagana Biloko Nabiso. The Barosarana or Panzana Yango. The voila, I don't know what they put inside, but maybe something to use it. The, you know, clay ezali. Oko Kangango Soki Bana Bazate Basimbate. Keys. I mean, love the keys. I got two girls, they do play with my stuff. So with this one, when I lock it, they're not gonna open, they're not gonna touch my stuff. So guys, this box is so beautiful. This box, I love it. To be honest, I love it. Look at that. Very beautiful, very sexy. It's so pretty, very nice. They was having two colors. One was silver, like here was silver and black. So when I saw this, I prefer this one because you go red on it. Because red is my favorite color. But I like na open a silver, I was like silver noir. Maintenant na mona ki o sangani na rouge na bi wow, rouge is a favorite color na ngai couleur na ngai préféré. So that's why I was like, you know why? Wanna go for black and red. Look at, guys, come on, let's be honest. I'm in love with this. Absolutely, it's nice, it's beautiful, it's standing. It's something like even you're going for holiday, you can take this box like this with you, and with nice suitcase, yeah, with nice suitcase, black, any color you want it, plus this bag, it will match. You look beautiful, guys. You look beautiful. People, they'll ask you, where did you get this box from? The normal price, it was $36.99. So now is on sale is $29.59. So nazi on a prix à 29 livres 59, prix na normal is aki 36 livres 99. Deux apena ki toko ba mama o che makeup no boy o bombi on a place mo ya safe do bana pe ba komona yango tata toko zo bima o simbi box boy vraiment o memi valise no ki toko valise no ya ki toko sombi partout ka ba kombo bino mo boyebi e simbi ki toko kwa. Let me show you my old one here. Look at this. This is my old silver. Yeah, this is my old one. Yeah, this is my old one silver. I have a lot of people, they have this in silver long time ago. Everybody got this in silver. You can see the difference. Look at how big is heavy. Look at how big black it is, and look at how small silver it is. Can you see it? So black is big, You can see the new one I got here is big and is nice, pretty color. Donc oh ezali na silver oh ya kala na zaki na ba te bébé bazana nango eza mukie par rapport au nazu ya noir. Silver ezali mukie, noir eza munene. Donc voilà, it's not even fit anymore. All my stuff is here, so it's too small now. Ba miloko na musu na tone ba box musu po place ezali soute. Donc na komaka ko squeeze ngo ya ko squeeze. Donc voilà, so na chango boye bomona. The no more space. I don't have space anymore. You can see I don't have space anymore. Like all my stuff, I'm just squeeze it so it can fit everything. Some of the makeup I even put in another box. So a pot a tipo box eleki mukie talandenge etondi biloko ibele. Mesikoyo na oyo na black oyo ekokota nango biloko nyonso tupo parce que noir eza munene. Black is big than silver. Black, it has a lot of space. Even inside here, on the black inside, let me open and show you. Even inside here is smaller than here. This here is big. So basically the black is bigger than the silver one. So I hope everything it will fit here. Even the one I put in the other box, everything will fit here. Don aza kondi make biloko nyonso kokota po noir and mutu eza munene. So guys, yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys. In case you are interested, go get it from Amazon. I got this from Amazon, as I say, $29.95, whatever, if I did forget the price. So it's on sale. It used to be 30 something pound, now it's 29 something. Yeah, so look at that, very beautiful compared to the silver one to black one. So I prefer the black one. The black one, it looks nice, it looks so beautiful, it looks so sexy. I love it. It's so amazing, to be honest. So amazing, it's so nice, beautiful, and it has keys on it. Yeah, that's the only thing I like it. It has keys on it, so no one can touch my stuff. None of my daughter will play with my makeup anymore. So with this one, I was having the keys. With this one, I didn't have the keys anyway. Maybe I can't remember when I bought it, there was keys, but I never use it because they was young. Now they're still young anyway, but they are playing with my makeup. So this one, no more. Donc oh peut-être na somba ki ndeza ki na tie menebi côté clé zakati na tikala ko sala ngote mais siko ba kole mo mke ba komi ko sakana na ba biloko na mai. Donc voilà, yango yo biloko box na mai na sombi. The next box I got it, let's open together. Let's see what is inside. Yeah, those are the fongola total eloko nini oyo izana cuts elongo na bino ngana yebi na eloko ezali. Let's open. Let's look at this. I got this water bottle, one water bottle. Let's open. Another water bottle. Guys, the reason I got my two daughters this water bottle to encourage them to drink more. Raison nazuli bango ba bute opo ba melaka trop. Yangwana nazuli bango oyo to encourage them to drink more. You can see it's nice. Even the color is so pretty, it's so lovely. So this one mix like yellow, blue and purple, and this one they mix green and light blue. It's so nice to encourage them, to motivate them to drink. It's like challenge. That's what everybody's doing now, challenge. Instead of them drinking in the cab or drinking in the water, normal water bottle we go from the shop. So when they are drinking here, it makes them drink more. Like this one is 1 liter, is 1 liter. I got each of them £9.69, just nearly £10 for each. And also And also I got this for myself. My one is 2 liters. Yeah, you can see my one I mix with lemon and cucumber. This is the way I drink my water. So you can tell the way it will tell you it start from 7 a.m. yeah, can you guys see it? From 7 a.m. to 9. It start from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. yeah, I always finish before 9 p.m. and I add more. That is to encourage you to drink more, especially in this weather. Yeah, especially in this weather, like or not, you still have to drink. But to take these bottles is so nice to encourage you. But komela mai eza bien pour na ba santé na biso et ko aider au perdre peu kilo et so aider au sokola pe système nzoto na yo et sokola kidney na yo ezala bien. The reason I got this water, you can see this as a healthcare professional, or we as the NHS staff, sometimes we forgot to drink. Sometimes we don't have time to drink because we always busy. As you all know, work in the hospital is not easy. So sometimes we forgot to drink. Sometimes we forgot to go to the toilet. But if you bring this water bottle with you since morning, as you start your work like 7:30, finish 8 p.m. in the night, when you put it somewhere, you can see as you are passing, it will make you to drink. This bottle is encouraging you, is pushing you more to drink. So as you put it somewhere, you are seeing, you encourage you to drink more, and you will be able to go toilet to pass good amount of urine, and your urine will be clear. I added lemon and cucumber. As we all know, lemon also can help you to lose weight, and cucumber also can help you to lose weight. So yeah, when I drink my water, I always mix with lemon and cucumber. So you know, so guys, it's good, especially with the kids. Buy this bottle for your kids if you're interested. I'm not selling, but I'm just telling you because it's a challenge right now. Everybody got these bottles. Is a challenge. When my daughter, they top up one their one as a 1 liter, I go my one 2 liters. So we have to finish it. No matter what, you have to finish it before the day and add more. If you cannot add more, but you have to finish your 1 liter or my 2 liter, we have to finish it. This is just like to encourage you, to motivate you, because it looks so nice, so sexy color, so beautiful, it's clean. You can even wash it. You can see my one, I washed it like yesterday. It's not dirty, it's clean. You know, it's easier. You can hold it like this. You hold it so nice. You can hold it like this. It's even nice for kids when they go to school. You know, you top up your kids water before they go to school. You put in their school bag. That's it. Donc ba famille ba bouteille vraiment bien ils ont encouragé yo o mela mai belé pour aider pour na santé na yo ngana sangsara mai na ngai na concombre na citron pour bison to yebi citron pe da moto au perdre kilo concombre pe e da ka oui au perdre pe kilo. Donc tant o déjà mai na yo boy na journée 2 litres bo aussi so ko mela pe sumo surtout biso bato to sala na NHS bientôt to za ba healthcare professional to za vraiment na temps ko la pena te po to zala ka busy, mais tango ena mai na we banda tongo otiango place mo tango zo leka e ko peso appétit o mela bana pe o sombele mo wa bouteille o vraiment eza pena bien. That was my video for today. I just wanted to show you what I've got from Amazon. And Galaxy Biloko na Amazon. So my free water bottle and my makeup box. So yeah, if you're interested, you can buy it. I'm not selling, but I'm just telling you special about water. As we all know, guys, water is life. Without water, you cannot survive. You can drink alcohol, you can drink whatever, but water, you still have to drink it. Drink. The more you drink, the more you are flashing clear urine, the more you are flashing a lot. Water, it helps with a lot of things. I'm not gonna go on the details. We all know about waters. So mela mai ezalaka bien pour esokolaka system a moto. It clear your system, your body system. It help you to lose weight. It can also help you with the face if you go sports. on your face, it can also help. Donc mai dakana makabebele, mai dakana makabebele. Donc voilà. Thank you guys for watching me. That was my video for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, so yeah, I will see you next time to my next video. I love you. Bye.